Welcome to the lesson 2 of the Advent of SysML v2, a series of short videos and exercises brought to you by Sensmetry in collaboration with Vince Molnár, a key contributor to the language of SysML. My name is Kęstutis, and today I'll take you on a journey to the world of systems as code. Today, you'll learn how to navigate the SysML v2 models efficiently like a Systems as Code Pro, what Syside Automator is, and how to extract information from the model using it. So, let's begin our lesson 2. Yesterday, we challenged you to develop a Santa Sleigh model, and I really hope you had fun doing so. Today, you'll learn how to navigate SysML models by exploring our version of the Santa Sleigh model. It's much more advanced than the Christmas tree, using SysML v2 concepts that you are yet to learn. We'll cover these meanings of these concepts in future episodes. For those who are interested right now, head to the blog post associated with this lesson to find out more detailed explanations. Now, let's jump to VS Code. So here's our Santa Sleigh model, and firstly, let's get a high-level overview of the SysML file contents by inspecting the outline window. Here, we click on the outline, we can see the structure in the files, what contents it has. If we click on something, it jumps to the location in the file. Also, here we imported a standard library called scalar values, which gives us access to the primitive scalar non-collection data types. In this particular case, we use data type real. It defines the energy levels attribute. If we right click and select Go to Definition, we jump to the file location where the symbol is being defined. Equally, we can look at the references or peek at them. So if we right click on the color, we peek references, we see all the locations that the color is being used. Finally, Syside Modeler provides a powerful feature called Rename Symbol. If you want to refactor a model, you right click on the symbol, you click Rename Symbol, and you can give it a different name. For example, color palette. So in this case, you got renamed the enum definition color palette, but nose color was not renamed, which would be the case if you do find and replace. So there you have it. You are now able to navigate the SysML models like a true Systems as Code Pro. So far, we were navigating the SysML v2 models using the Syside Modeler. It's an extension for Visual Studio Code or other similar editors such as VS Code or Cursor. Modeler provides features for quicker and easier textual modeling and means to visualize them. Let's now get our first glimpse at Syside Automator. It's a Python library that enables the analysis of SysML v2 models, automation of workflows, and building custom applications. Let's see how we can use Syside Automator to extract part hierarchy. Here's our model with part definition Santa Sleigh, and here's the script that will do this task. It finds the root node, which is the Santa Sleigh, and then it prints out all the owned part names terminal window recursively. And there's two helper functions, one finding the element by name and the other printing out the found part names. So let's run it. We open the terminal, type Python space drag and drop the script, enter, and there we go. We have the extracted part names. Now, what's interesting, we can add more parts if someone decides to update the model. For example, add part toggle 1, add part display with part button A and part button B. And now we run the script, and there we have it. We have updated and extracted new part hierarchy. So we automated the process of extracting information. We will extend this script in the future lessons to do more interesting and useful things. Now that you've seen how easy it is to extract part information using Syside Automator, we would like you to extract attribute data as today's challenge. In Syside Cloud Platform, you'll find today's Santa Sleigh model and the script for extracting part data. Additionally, you'll find a partially completed script for extracting attribute data. The process of extracting both pieces of information is similar, and the task itself requires only a little Python programming knowledge. If you run into some issues, not sure how to proceed, please head over to forum.sensmetry.com and feel free to ask any question about this or past lesson in the Advent of SysML v2 forum section. Forum link and information how to get free access to Syside Cloud Platform is in the video description below. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon to not miss any future lessons. Tomorrow we'll dive deeper into SysML v2 concepts. Take care and happy scripting!